In this Roofer Rev Up review, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money getting leads for roofers by selling them leads in a way that's going to make them money, make you money, make your clients happy, and pretty much make everyone happy. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Roofer Rev Up, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, important, this new program has only limited openings. It will be closed in just a few days. Any reopenings will be at a substantially greater price. With my new niche breakthrough for consultants, marketers, local advisors, or anyone who wants to join this business, you'll never fear getting new clients ever again. Why? Because you will have discovered the #1 rich niche. So rich, it's known throughout this industry that they've already budgeted for marketing, meaning many of them are already prepped to allocate $3,000 monthly towards a better source of leads. So essentially what this is saying is that these roofers are like, it's a huge business. They make a lot of money from it and they want to buy leads. They want to get business, but they don't have time to get the leads themselves. They don't have time to go knocking door to door. And what you do is you come in using the system and you're able to sell them these leads. And it says, enjoy a massive increase in your free time because it only takes 10 to 18 hours a week to run this business that generates $10,000 to $20,000 per month in his own case. So you're creating these leads for people. You're selling them these leads so that they can do their work. You can make money from selling the leads. Here's some proof of all the different leads coming in here. I mean, look at all these roofing leads from just 2 days. People that want to get their roofs done. And they just want to find someone that will do it for them. And you're able to provide those leads to roofers and get paid for them. Look at this, roofing leads, $49 roofing leads. People are paying, let's see, $90 roofing appointment leads, $50 to $75 per lead, per interested person. So if you could provide those leads to them, people will pay you that. You get 100 leads for small roofing jobs for $3,000. Like, look at that. That's crazy what people are willing to pay for this because they don't have time to go out there and do the business. They're not business people. They are roofers, right? Most of them. And if they are business people, then they have a huge advantage over this. Always interested in developing new roofing leads. Look at these people. I'm looking for leads that aren't complete garbage. Where can I get roofing leads? So there really are people that are looking for this everywhere in pretty much the world, if you look at it here. So I'm going to scroll down here. If you decide to purchase this, you get access to the entire system that's going to teach you exactly how to do this. It's going to be a very low one-time price. I don't have the price on here right now, but it's going to be a very low one, I'm sure, for this. I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you a little bit inside of what you're going to get and the OTOs and how you can get discounts.
Give me a few minutes of your time and I'll show you the quickest path to building a local marketing business while attracting handsome fees like a magnet. And once you have this simple formula down, it won't matter if you're new, can only work part-time, or even have the most limited of budgets. Here's the thing though, you have to be careful not to fall into the same trap you're trying to break free from. Your chances of winning soar when you have the right pieces of the puzzle in front of you. You can't just cross your fingers and choose any random niche or even a service hoping to succeed. That won't work. Look, if you do it that way, you'll be back in the rat race. You'll continue to be controlled by a time clock, bosses, and even clients and customers. Here's what you do want, and here's the shortest way to consulting success. You have to choose the right niche, one that's super motivated. After that, you have to find the right service to offer. And this service has to go straight to their most pressing pain point, but you're still not done. And this may be the most important part. You have to time it right. This means you have to get in there precisely at the point of critical suffering within the niche. Once you have those 3 pieces in place, the right niche, the right service, the right timing, the scales tip in your favor. So let me tell you real quick about the niche and why it's about as close to perfect as it gets, and why you'll find paying clients easier within this space. And when you hear these points, you'll agree they're the ones to go after. First, their industry is overcrowded and there just isn't enough business to go around. To combat the saturation problem, they're having to work longer hours, basically grind till there's no end. Then they're using outdated methods to gain business. You can't tell me door knocking is cutting edge and efficient, can you? And of course, their superiors know the challenges that they're going through, but they don't have true solutions. Their answer is just to hire more salespeople, hoping some will stick. Wouldn't you agree? They need help with marketing. That's what it comes down to. And wouldn't you agree that if they can get their hands on better leads that actually produce sales for them, they'll eagerly pay you every single month? If you haven't figured it out by now, by looking at the page you're on, the niche I'm talking about is the roofer niche. The service I'm talking about is a consistent flow of hungry leads that turn into appointments and sales. Now let me fill you in on why now is the best time to approach them. See, they've gotten by with using outdated methods of marketing, and they continue to use these methods today. Here, take door knocking. It's their main method of getting sales. They basically cold knock 50 to 70 doors a day, hoping it will produce a six-figure income. At least that's what their superiors are telling them. But listen to this direct quote from Melissa, a roofing pro in Raleigh, North Carolina. "It's not like it used to be," she said. "I used to make so much money. Don't get me wrong, it's still good money and it more than pays the bills, but with so many salespeople and companies in Raleigh, what I have to do to get not even half of what I used to make has gotten really, really bad. I knock on these doors every day, say the same stuff, then go to the bar, go home, get some sleep, and do it all over again." That's exactly what Melissa, a sales pro for a roofing company in Raleigh, North Carolina, told me back then. And you know what I heard when she said that? I heard that she's doing the same work, more work actually, for less pay. To boot, she's spending more time away from the people she loves and the things she'd rather do. But do you remember what I said about timing? Right now is the critical point in the industry's timeline that says they desperately need a solution. The roofing industry, roofers and roofing sales pros, they're waiting. They're waiting for a solution, and they've waited too long hoping things would change. And if they don't, make a change now. Their business could shut down forever. So there you have it, the right niche, the right service, and the right timing. When these three converge, it's much easier to attract $300, $500, even $997 and $1,200 a month fees over and over again. All right, I'm so excited to tell you about this, but the information below is far more detailed, and that way you'll be able to make a good decision. So check it all out now. Remember that I'm here to support you, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we're back. So if you purchase, you get access to this report here. So it's going to give you all the things here, all the different recommendations. It's going to go through exactly everything that you need in order to run this service, what to charge for your ultimate direct mail service, what to charge for your self-qualifying online ad service, leverage leads to steal PPC clients, preparing your mail piece, all these different things in order to get these leads for people. It looks like it's around 77 pages for this entire document here. So they do have multiple upgrades. The first one here says students report 54% higher closing rates after getting their hands on this instant authority pack. So this is an authority pack to make you look even better to your clients. However, if you want to get a discount on that, you just click on the no thanks button, and it's going to give you a discounted price. Now, I don't know what the price is. Look, it's $20 off. It's not going to be super expensive for this, but you can get a $20 discount if you click that no thanks button. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. The next one here, it says you're new, you hate selling, you don't want to meet face-to-face, yet you sign 2 times more clients in half the time. So this is if you don't want to meet face-to-face. Again, if you click on that no thanks button for this one, see if this one gives us a discount. There we go. You get a discount. So you get $20 off that. Next one here is you get a hot client. What next? Students use this to sign multiple clients within their first month with no face-to-face meetings. So again, hit the no thanks button on this one. And that's that one. Now, as far as the price, let me see if I can find you guys the pricing for this. Upsell number 1 is $57, but you get that discount. Upsell number 2 is $47, but you can get it for a discount with that downsell that I showed you. Then it's $17 for OTO number 3, etc. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Roofer Rev Up and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, you are going to get like bad leads. It's just going to happen. It happens with anything. So just be aware of that. And you're going to have to follow the system. You're going to have to learn it, apply it. There is some work involved with this. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. What do I like about this? Even though there's work involved, I mean, this business just makes sense. Roofers need leads. If you can get those leads to them, they'll pay you for them. Like I said before, they're going to be happy. You're going to be happy. Everyone's going to be happy. It's a win-win. Thank you so much for checking out my Roofer Rev Up review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.